Hey, good morning everyone. It is a beautiful day outside. We have just been hanging out this morning, getting some breakfast, and I cleaned up this drafting table here. We're about to take it and go sell it. You ready, Lukey? You say hi? Say good morning.
Hey there.
You ready to go?
I think so.
Lukey's ready too. Since it's so beautiful out, we decided to come check out a waterfall. There's a covered bridge just down here that I wanted to take a couple pictures of. Lucas is asleep in the car, so Micah is gonna stay with him, and I'm just gonna walk down here because I noticed there are some horses and we don't want to get them spooked. We made it here to the trailhead. I think Lucas is starting to wake up back there, and we're gonna go pay our little parking fee and get on this hike and see this beautiful waterfall.
Yeah.
Ready, man?
Wood. He wants chips.
Hey, sleepy face. Can you get out?
Pay for it? With this?
This way, Lukey. Oh, go, Lukey.
And there. Push it in.
So we came to this waterfall one other time. It was before we had Lucas. It wasn't a super nice day, but the sun did peek through a couple times, but there was a decent amount of water flowing over it. And I remember getting some cool pictures of one of the logs that was nearby and had fallen and was just the brightest red in color.
Hopefully red log is still there.
I can't get over how cute Lucas's little head bobbing out of the pack is. Cracker break? Wow. What do you see, Lukey? Root coming over the stump is pretty cool. What are you looking at?
The cool little tree here with the
Yeah,
red
it is
leaves.
pretty.
This one's cool too.
So much color.
Can't find a 4-leaf clover, you gotta eat a 3-leaf one.
Yeah, these are edible and they're all along the trail. How is it?
Mm-hmm.
They're a little sour
It's
and fruity.
like a green strawberry almost.
I don't see
Chipmunk.
it. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he goes. We made it to the very cool looking suspension bridge. What's down there, Mookie? Is that the waterfall? Oh, yeah. The cool log was down here last time. I think this was it. Right there, but it doesn't look red like it did last time. This tree has some though. I worked with a guy who was really into making stuff with wood, and when I showed him the photo of that, he thought it was maybe an enzyme or a bacteria or a fungus that was creating that type of rich color within the wood.
Cool bridge.
I see you somewhere around.
After the long hike, we got pretty hungry, so the coast wasn't much further of a drive. We made it here. We're at Kylo's. We're gonna go see what yummy food we can find. That sun is looking amazing. Lucas has already spotted the beach, so we're gonna get out of here and go get some food. Let's get your shoes on. Dad's getting us a table. Come on. Can you say hi?
Oh, I guess I see you somewhere around.
Did Daddy give you some ranch? Do you love it as much as he does? Oh boy.